Okay, today we're going to solve inequalities. Basically what we're going to do is we're going to solve one-step equations today. The difference today when we have greater than or less than is this. When you times or divide with a negative number, you're going to flip your inequality. Okay, so when you multiply or divide by a negative number, you're going to flip your inequality, so you're going to flip your greater than or less than sign. If we look at number one, our one-step equation, we'll divide it in two like we've been doing. Subtract 4 from both sides. Negative 6 plus negative 4 is negative 10. Bring down what we had used. Okay, next one we're going to do is number 2. So 15 plus D is greater than 10. Draw our line to separate. Our 15 is positive, so the opposite is a negative. We're left with D. Bring down our greater than. 10 plus a negative 15 is negative 5. If we look at number 3, P plus a negative 8 less than or equal to negative 12. Okay, don't let the plus sign confuse you. We look at the sign on the number. This is a negative 8. The opposite is a positive 8. Those cancel. P is less than or equal to negative 4. Okay, those are adding and subtracting. Okay, if we look at number 10, we'll flip back to the worksheet. Hey, this is a fraction, so it's a division problem. The opposite of dividing by negative 4 is multiplying. So we'll take both sides times negative 4. On your calculators, you would take 24 times negative 4, and you get negative 96. Okay, since we multiplied by a negative number, we switch this from greater than to less than or equal to. Now, they also want you to graph this. So we have 96, we have the equals, so we have a closed circle. Okay, it says G is greater than this. So we go to the right because it's getting bigger. On number 11, the opposite of multiplying by 6 is dividing. We're left with H. So you take 78 divided by, negative 78 divided by 6, you'd get negative 13. In this case, this stays the same because we divided by a positive number. If we go to graph this, we don't have the equals to, so we have an open circle. H is less than negative 13. So less, we're going to go to the left. If we look at number 13, the opposite of multiplying by negative 4 is dividing. 100 divided by negative 4 is negative 25. Since we divided by a negative number, we flip our inequality sign. So now we have S is greater than or equal to negative 25. Since it's equal to, we have a closed circle, and we're getting bigger, so we go to the right.